Who?
Kevin Brownie. He was a message runner back in during that.
Put your thing over the fire, Pete.
Well, you can't give him things like that, man.
Okay. My bad.
Okay. We need some more too.
Nope.
He saved you.
Oh, okay.
I'm no motherfucker.
All right, I need to save it again because I want to get a close up of you pulling it out. Okay.
You really
You
can't
really
say
do,
stuff
huh?
like that around him.
All right, brother. It's gonna cost you.
Okay, $5. And okay. And we can probably cut out that sound. Wait till it stops. As soon as it stops beating. Go.
I'm real
Wait.
sorry.
Go.
I'm real sorry. Stop, motherfucker!
Pigpen.
I love me some dirt,
You can't tell, man. Anyway. That's what that. Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't need to worry about it, Pete. You're not gonna. It's not showing.
A little bit more.
No, we'll get it from this. We'll cut in between. Okay, let's get one more. All right.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Same thing. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Action.
You see something? Line?
No. Seems a bit quiet though.
Old man's been right. Shit. Old man's been right so far. Hell, me and the missus could. I'm sorry, man. Line. You know what that makes my take? Hell, me and the missus could. I'm sorry. Hell, me and the missus could. I'm sorry. I really can't remember that fucking line.
I wasn't.
I wasn't.
I wasn't thinking.
I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking.
Chance in there.
It's good, man. It's good.
Go ahead and say the line.
What?
Rebs. Go back.
You want me to step
Yes,
up?
you're gonna say what? Rebs.
Okay.
Yeah. What?
So I'm not stepping up to say reps.
Not yet.
Okay.
Oh wait. Yeah. He takes a step in closer. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Just so I say rebs.
Okay.
Where are we starting at, Chris?
Rebs?
Starting from
Rebs.
Rebs.
Ready?
Yeah.
Rebs?
Maybe.
I didn't hear nothing. Hell, I ain't heard a soul. Shit. Rebs?
Maybe.
Was long done, but they'd kill us just the same. They knew what we was after.
Let's not be talking about it then. I fucked that up.
Line.
Hob?
I'm fine. Stomachache, so. We gotta go. Oh shit.
Sure? You sure?
Oh, that's okay, son.
Wars long done, but they'd kill us just the same. Especially if they knew what they was after. We was after. Okay. Bananas do grow on the ground, not in trees.
Okay.
You're leaving a trail.
And? You're kidding, right? Engines didn't follow us here following me spitting. Only one to know that we're here.
Here we go. And
And
action. Action!
Wait. I thought somebody was pushing it out, man. I was like, oh my god. Oh my god.
He said, wait. I'm like, shit's moving around the bushes. They're out there.
Post-op and pre-op.
Go ahead and move those. Go ahead and move those pillows. Okay, go, do it again.
Too fast.
No, well, my framing wasn't good. Okay, action. Okay, draw. Put it back in here.
Do the whole thing again?
Yeah.
That's not good. My hand was on the gun.
Okay. And action.
Do you want me to go ahead and do the whole? Ready?
Okay. Take a step back. Okay, action.
I didn't do it.
And action. And
Sorry.
Your side's bent. Always has been.
okay, wait. Wasn't he supposed to have a chew in? He spits it out after.
Oh, I ate it.
Yeah.
Your side's off, Hobbs. Always has
Say
been.
that line again now that the truck stopped.
Me?
Hurry. Yeah. Guess there's someone.
You're right. Guess I just saw him out of the corner of my eye, right? Fuck. That ain't good.
Corner of your eye, huh?
Shut's off.
Your sight's off.
Oh, okay.
Let me do the wrecking. Let's start from wrecking. Fucked it up.
Okay. All right. Okay. Take a step back.
Hold on.
Recording and action. Action. Action.
Corner of your eye, huh? Corner of your eye just saved my ass.
He's on.
Hey, when we get the money for them guns, maybe
Nothing's
you could...
going to get worked out, Jake. She did the right thing.
Oh, come on.
She said I changed.
That's my dad probably something.
And she was...
Okay, we're rolling.
Now, if you want to go down there,
Which line?
you're not going any further with
Okay, and balls.
I'm real sorry about Annabelle. Shit.
And there's no beeping.
She makes me take a shit.
I forgot to say, I'm real sorry to hear about Annabelle. Okay.
All right, this has got to be perfect.
Okay, it's perfect.
Ready?
Yep.
Shit. Oh, yeah, that's not going to work because we got that thing in there.
Yeah.
All right, give me some water.
This has got to be perfect. Oh, shit.
Hey!
And it say hop first?
Oh, we're going from one? Sorry.
Yeah.
My bad.
Yeah, from top. I need some more blood on that.
Yeah, give
Blood. Blood girl. Blood boy.
Ben, use this shot. Here.
Good, then take this. Hell no!
Okay.
What? You ain't eating again tonight?
No. I mean,
Good, then get this.
Okay.
While you're there.
You know, the booty we're getting ready to get.
Okay. And action.
God damn, that's gonna be some good booty. Oh, is that the foreign Navy Colts?
Yeah. No, we're waiting for